Namaskar viewers, I am Dr. J.K. Sharma, a Reiki Grandmaster. Welcomes you to this episode of Practice in Hinduism Part 5 with a special reference to Mahalaya 2024. Friends, Mahalaya festival marks the end of Pitri Paksha and the beginning of 9-day long Navratri festival. It is considered that Goddess Durga begins her journey to earth, which is celebrated with huge joy and fervor by the devotees. During Navratri, devotees install Ma Durga's idol at pandals and worship her for 9 days. Friends, let's see the word Mahalya. Actually, the word Mahalya is derived from two Sanskrit words, Maha and Alaya, which together means the great abode or the home of goddess. It is believed that on this day of Mahalaya, the goddess Durga begins her journey from Kailas, the abode of Lord Shiva, to earth to descend upon her devotees to bless them. The concept of Mahalaya is inspired by the tale of Devi Mahatma, that is the glory of the goddess, from the epic Markandeya Purana. According to the Hindu scripture, the story narrates how Ma Durga destroyed the demon king Mahishasur, who gained invincible boon from Lord Brahma. This is mythological belief behind Mahalaya celebrations. Friends, in 1931, Mahalaya was for the first time broadcasted over the All India Radio, Calcutta, and the program was organized by Pankaj Kumar Malik, Premankur Atorthi, Birendra Krishna Bhadra, Nripendra Krishna Mukhopadhyay, and Raichand Borel. The spiritual essence of Mahalaya Amavasya lies in the belief that offering prayers and food to ancestors help pacifying their souls, releasing them from sufferings in the afterlife. Those who neglect these rituals, let me say that those who neglect these rituals, it is said that they may face obstacles in their lives attributed to the unfulfilled desires of their ancestors. And this is the spiritual significance behind celebrating Mahalaya. Friends, Amavasya or the Mahalaya Amavasya hold an immense religious and spiritual significance in Hindu religion. This day is considered as one of the most auspicious day to perform final rituals for the sake of ancestors, peace and salvation. The Pitri Paksha rituals performed on Mahalaya Amavasya are believed to be special and spacious, as in addition to the Pitri Paksha rituals, the day also holds significance for the artisans working to create Ma Durga idols. Friends, this annual religious event holds special importance for Hindus as it offers the last chance to pay homage to the ancestors on Mahalaya. At the same time, it marks the beginning of jubilant Navratri celebrations, which also includes Durga Puja. Friends, Mahalaya, which occurs before Durga Puja, signals the arrival of Ma Durga, the goddess of supreme power. It serves as innovation or invitation for Mother Goddess Durga to the devotees on earth. This invitation is extended through the recitations of sacred mantras. Let us see what is the relationship between Mahalaya and Durga Puja. Durga Puja is a 10 days event. The festival begins with Mahalaya, a day on which the Hindus perform tarpan by offering water and food to their dead ancestors. The day is also marked with the advent of Ma Durga from her mythological marital home in Kailas. That means this Mahalaya is so linked that at one side it is ending the Pitri Paksha, and those who might have not done for the 16 days anything offering for their ancestors can do so on Mahalaya. It gives a last chance to them. And then Mahalaya, on the day of Mahalaya, the advent of Durga Puja also begins as the Kalas and Asthapana is there on the Mahalaya day of Mahalaya. This is how significant it is. How Mahalaya is related with both sides. It links together. That's the relationship between Mahalaya and Durga Puja. Let's see the rituals of Mahalaya. The rituals typically followed on Mahalaya Amavasya, the Sarb Priti Amavasya. The Mahalaya is also called as Sarb Pitri Amavasya because, as I told before, that those who fail to perform on 16 days or to pay homage to their ancestors, they can do so for all their ancestors for any day. They might have left this world. On Mahalaya day, they can do it. They can perform it. So, the Mahalaya Amavasya includes waking up early for a day to take a holy bath in early morning, cleaning their homes, offering prayers to Lord Surya, preparing sattvic food, and inviting Brahmins, family members, especially males, perform the Tarpan rituals with the invited Brahmins' priest help. Performing rituals during Mahalaya or Mahalaya day, you can call it, it is believed that ancestors free themselves from past sins and bless their family members who are performing for them the last rituals. Friends, Hindus believe that by performing these rituals for their ancestors on this auspicious day of Mahalaya, they will live a good and healthy life till their last breath. This Mahalaya Amasya is a celebration of the entire humanity crossing all religions and gods. Friends, while concluding, I say Subh Mahalaya to all the viewers, wishing you a very happy and blessed Mahalaya. May Ma Durga bless you with good health, wealth, and prosperity. May the divine blessings of Ma Durga showers upon you, viewers, on your family, on this auspicious occasion of Subh Mahotsav, Subh Mahalya. It's a Mahotsav actually. So beautiful. So let's say again, Subh Mahalya. And before I leave, I again appeal you to subscribe my channel, to like it and comment, as your comment will be very valuable for me for planning future episodes. And I'm really grateful to all the viewers for their all round support to me. They have given a lot of views are coming. God bless you all. God bless you all and your family. Thank you very much and goodbye. Namaskar.